Hello everyone, welcome to this video. Today in this video, we're gonna see how to obtain surface current of any specific resonance frequency of a electromagnetic metamaterial observer. First of all, we're gonna design a simple electromagnetic metamaterial observer, and then we're gonna connect waveguide port and then simulate it. After the simulation, in which frequency we're gonna get the resonance peak, we're gonna obtain the surface current for that particular resonance frequency, and we're gonna see this that particular process today in this video. So let's go and design a simple electromagnetic metamaterial observer and simulate it at first. Yeah. Now, after the simulation has been completed, you can see the reflection coefficient, transmission coefficient, and reflectance, transmittance, and absorbance on the navigation tree in the left side of your screen. Actually, you can also see the surface current on different frequency, like in 2 gigahertz, in 7 gigahertz, in 12 gigahertz. But that's not the frequencies on which we want to see the surface current behavior. Basically, we want to see surface current behavior on that particular frequency on which we actually got the resonance frequency. Here, over here, you can see that the one particular resonance frequency we have got over here is near to 3.7 gigahertz or like that. Now if we mark this particular point, you can see that 3.76 is the specific frequency in which we got the maximum absorption, or it's the resonance point. So basically, while observing surface current, we need to observe surface current at the resonance point. So we need to see the surface current behavior at 3.76 gigahertz. But here we can see on 3.76 gigahertz the surface current is not available over here. So for obtaining the surface current in 3.76 gigahertz, for that you have to go to the simulation section where you're gonna find out the field monitor, and here you can find a option called surface current, H field and surface current. Selecting that particular, you have to select this particular point to find out or obtain the surface current at 3.76 gigahertz, and you have to untick this particular section, and you have to give the 7 gigahertz at 3.76, and you have to change it here as well, 3.76. Then apply and hit the button OK. Button OK. Now you have to run your simulated design again to obtain the surface current. After the completion of the simulation, you're gonna find out that a surface current at 3.76 gigahertz will arrive at the surface current over here. Here you can see the surface current is available now. For see it more clearly, select it over here, front. Now for better visual looking into it, you can select the smart scaling option. It will give you more proper visuals of the surface current flow over here. And by looking into it, you can see how the surface current actually behaving at 3.76 gigahertz, where you got the resonance peak of for your particular design. So yeah, this is how you need to obtain the surface current of your design for particular resonance frequency. So yeah, thank you for seeing this video. Thank you so much. If you do like this video, please subscribe our channel, and if you have any query or any kind of question, you can comment below, and I will try to solve your problem as per my capability. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please do subscribe this channel.